Hi students, I'm Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as academic advisor of Mastermind for the past 19 years. Sir, IPCC or CA Inter examinations of December 2021 got completed. What next? This is what messages students are sending to me. So what I thought is, instead of answering to the message of each and every student, why don't I make a video? So please watch this short video till the end. In the same video, I have even included information with respect to all upcoming services to IPCC or CA Inter students of May 2022 attempt available in Masterminds. So hi students, are you aware that CA or CMA Inter students shall not sit idle till the announcement of results? If not, please watch this video. Do you know what is the right time to start preparation for May 2022 attempt? If not, then watch this video till the end. Do you know the best strategies to qualify CA Inter quickly? So if not, please watch this video till the end to find the master key for your success. Who we are? Masterminds was established in the year 2002 in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, and has been serving as a reliable platform for students to fulfill their dreams of reaching the pinnacle of success in CA/CMA courses. With nearly 20,000 admissions per annum, the services that we offer are MEC with integrated coaching for CA or CMA foundation. I think you are aware how tough it is. That's why very few institutions are able to handle it. So, exclusive MEC CEC coaching, regular batches, crash batches, and study hours and revision examination batches, and Masterminds test series service for all the levels of CA/CMA courses. Recently, we have even launched a unique academic program called MEC Pro for the purpose of students who aspire to pursue MBA or BBA or CLAT rather than CA/CMA courses, and we received huge applause. To know further about Masterminds, here is an exclusive video on the same. So please look at the top right corner of the video. You will be able to find some cards, and once you click it, you will be directed to another video. I'm even leaving the link of that video in the description section. So first of all, let us try to understand some basics. What is the expected date of results announcement? Unfortunately, there are a large number of students who are not even aware of this. My dear students, results may get declared by February ending to March first week. Don't forget, this time CA, Inter and IPCC exams got delayed. So after announcement of results, if you fail, you will hardly be left with 2 months for May 2022 attempt. So before taking any decision, please keep this point in mind. Just 2 months for May 2022 if you get failed in December 2021. Sir, what is the cutoff date to join for practical training or articles? Don't worry, 30th April is the last date. If you register on or after 30th April, you will be eligible to appear for CA final examinations to be held in November 2024. That means you will not have any advantage even if you join prior to that. Sir, what is the right time to join for practical training or articles? The best time is after qualifying both the groups. Sir, what will be the challenges if I join for articleship after qualifying one group? For God's sake, please don't do that. Remember, my dear students, articleship is the crux of this course. So you need to pay complete attention on that. If you join for articles now, that is after completion of one group, you will not be able to focus on articles and you will not be able to manage your preparation. If you join now, the chances of qualifying the remaining group will be bleak. Hence, never commit such mistake. That means, think of articleship only after qualifying both the groups. Sir, what is the right time to join for ITT and orientation? In other words, ICATSS classes. Same. You join them only after qualifying both the groups. You please wait till the announcement of results. You can finish ICATSS classes on or before 30th April 2022 because that is a cutoff date for joining articles. That means even after announcement of results, still plenty of time is there. So think about ICATSS classes only after results. Till results are announced, please focus on CA Inter revision only. Please don't be overconfident that you will get through. Sir, CA inter exams completed. What next? You comfortably take rest for 3 to 5 days, if at all you want. So very soon we have Sankranti festival. So at that time you can enjoy for 3 to 4 days. So please don't waste your valuable time just to waiting for results. So at CA foundation level, you might have understood that. So waiting idle at home just for results is a bad decision that you have taken earlier. At least now, please don't take such wrong decisions. And remember, you can never get back that time. So assess your performance in a realistic manner and start preparing for the next attempt, assuming that you may get failed in the exams. Remember, my dear students, confidence is okay, but don't be overconfident. So remember the golden rule in CSCMI courses. You need to start your preparation immediately after completion of exams, and you cannot dare to wait till the announcement of results. Just imagine if you are trying to appear for a government job. Will you wait till the announcement of results, assuming that you will get through? Definitely not. We will be making our own arrangements. We'll be preparing for some other exam. Similarly, please don't wait for your results. So what will happen if I don't start preparation now? It's a very interesting discussion. Remember, anything you study, you are bound to forget if you don't revise it within a month. That means even after putting a lot of efforts, if you study something, the maximum time you will be able to remind them is 1 month. After that, everything will be zero. So if you don't revise now, that means till the announcement of results, if you don't even touch your books, then what will happen is, by the time results get announced, you forget everything. So that's why you need to prepare from the scratch. That means it becomes your first attempt. That's why parents feel that my child is writing second attempt, third attempt. But unfortunately, the child is writing the first attempt every time, because till the announcement of results, he is not even opening the books. As a result, so since he is not opening the books, every attempt becomes a first attempt. He will forget everything. If you fail in December 2021 attempt, then you will just have 2 months to prepare for next attempt. Don't forget that you have written your first attempt with 9 months of preparation. When you are not able to qualify with 9 months of preparation, how can you qualify with just 2 months of preparation? As a result, failure once again leads to failure. That's why you need to start your preparation immediately. So assess your performance, decide early, and join in any of the following batches. If you want to listen to the classes once again, then join for crash batch. If your concepts are not good, then it is better to join in crash batch. No sir, my conceptual clarity is good, then it is better to join in study hours and revision exams. So we offer both the services in the name of pre-results batches. So there will be pre-results crash batch and pre-results revision batches. And it is always better to be proactive rather than reactive. So don't wait for the results and then react. So try to be proactive. This you might have learned in your strategic management. So here are some brief details of CA inter pre-results crash batches. So crash means it's purely result oriented. So in lesser number of hours, normally we'll be giving regular batch coaching in 1500 to 1600 hours. When it comes to crash batch, we'll be finishing off everything in 900 to 1000 hours. Of course, whatever we offer as crash batch, the same is being offered as regular batch in other institutions. For repeaters, we have separate crash batches for group 1 and group 2. For first time listeners, we have group 2 regular batch also. Of course, group 1 regular batch will also be available. So latest comprehensive and best materials, which is 46th edition of our materials, will be provided. I can say with 100% confidence, our 46th edition of CA inter materials will be the best materials available in the market. Well trained, best in the industry, experienced and expert faculty, not for few subjects, but for all the subjects. And remember, all of them are our CO batch faculty. So unlike others, we will even conduct you weekend exams, and each of these weekend exams will be at par with public exams. And of course, these weekend exams will be conducted for CPB and COB batches only, that is complete physical batch and complete online batch students only. So those who join for select 2 subjects, this weekend exams will not be conducted. That means every weekend exam will be like a public exam. And coaching available in all the 3 modes. Physical you want, yes, ready, is available. You want online, available, that is through Zoom. And third one, video classes, just video classes, yes, available. at a very economical price. Video classes are also available. You just pay 12,000 rupees per group and you can directly purchase the video classes of that entire group by just paying 12,000. That option is also available in our app. For complete details of our pre-results crash batches, there is an exclusive video. Look at the top right corner of this video. You will find a link for that video. And I'm also leaving the link of that video in the description of the video that you are watching right now. Sir, I heard a lot about study hours and revision exams being conducted by Masterminds. What is so special about this service? So study hours and revision exams is a beacon to the success of thousands of students. So we'll provide a fixed schedule and every student needs to chase the same. You know pretty well, if there is no fixed schedule, so it leads to procrastination. You will be keep on postponing. We'll make you to study for the whole day and we will make you to write 2 exams a week. That is 2 revision exams. And we will also conduct 1 set of pre-final exams. Unlike others, question papers are prepared by respective faculty with vast teaching experience and well versed with recent examination trends. So the standards of the question papers of our revision exams are sometimes even beyond exam standards, and we don't follow copy-paste style of preparing question papers. We are happy that the students who have written revision exams with us and attempted December 2021 attempt public exams, so came to me and told that majority of the questions being posed in the public exams are already being questioned in the revision exams and pre-final exams. We definitely felt happy after listening to that feedback. And there will be separate schedules for the students of group 1, group 2 and both. So large number of students will even come from other states to join in this batch. If you are not interested to attend study hours physically, then you can write exams alone in online mode. That's called Masterminds Test Series. Sure Success Batch. This is something similar to Pass Guarantee Batch. That batch is also available. This is an add-on service to study hours and revision exams batch. So time to time guidance and motivation to crack the exams will be given by our academic and admin advisors who are having 19 years of experience. Free RRB videos for all students, physical as well as online. RRB means each subject will be covered in just a matter of 22 to 25 hours of videos. For complete details of our pre-result study hours and revision exams batches, we have an exclusive video. Please look at the top right corner of this video. You will find the link of that particular video. I'm also leaving the link of that video in the description of the video that you are watching right now. So let us have a short glance at our achievements. First rank for 47 times in various courses for which we are offering coaching, and a cumulative total of 977 ranks in all levels of CA CMA courses till today. 180 All India ranks in CA CMA courses in 2019-20. So 3 All India first ranks in CA CMA courses in the year 2020 itself. 98 All India ranks in March 2021 results of CMA Inter and Final. And state first in Inter MEC course for 18 times, that too 8 times in a row. And right now approximately 150 batches of various courses are running now. To know further about Masterminds, here is an exclusive video. I'm leaving the link in the card section. Look at the top right corner, and also leave the link in the description of this video. Sir, what about one-time free coaching to SSP students? Don't worry, it's available. So one-time free coaching will be given to all CA Inter students of 45th session regular batch students who have taken admission under SSP 1 or 2 or 3 program. And admission will be given either in group 1 crash batch or group 2 crash batch. Of course, you cannot avail this benefit in post-results crash batches. This facility will be given in pre-results crash batches only. The best advice is in pre-results join in crash batch, in post-results join in revision exams. That is the best strategy anyone has to follow. You can join for group 1 crash batch, any of 3 modes, that is physical, online or VOD. Or group 2 crash batch, only VOD or virtual mode is available. Remember, this one-time free coaching facility cannot be availed in study hours and revision exams batches. It will be provided in pre-results crash batches only. Sir, I am pursuing CMA Inter along with CA Inter. How can I take coaching for CMA Inter? Don't worry. So we have a specific course called CMA Inter Crash Batch, and it's already available in our app, Masterminds Online Classes. Install that app, search for CMA Inter Crash Batch in the store, and you will find the course. So in just a matter of 80 to 90 hours, we will provide detailed coaching for all the subjects and all the topics of CMA Inter which don't get covered in CA Inter. 1.5 views and 6 months of validity will be provided. So materials will also be provided in PDF format and you need to arrange Xerox on your own. So videos will be useful for June 2021 attempt also. So exams may be conducted in January or February 2022 for the students who have opted out. Sir, I am not confident of coaching taken earlier. What should I do? Very simple. You might have not taken proper coaching earlier, either due to health issues or online classes or joining in some other non-standard institutions. Don't worry. So you have another chance. You better aim for November 2022 because right quality of coaching is very, very important to qualify CA Inter. So you aim for November 2022 rather than May 2022. So you can join in our CA Inter regular batches, which are going to commence soon. So regular batch coaching means detailed coaching in 1500 to 1600 hours and for both the groups. So I'm leaving the video link of complete details of CA Inter 47th session, CA and CMA Inter regular batches. I'm leaving the link in the card section. Look at the top right corner. And I'm also leaving the link of that video in the description of this video. Huge concession will be provided in fee for old CA Inter regular batch students of Masterminds because you have already taken regular batch coaching earlier. You can even shift from CA Inter to CMA Inter. So CMA Inter regular batch coaching integrated with CA is available in all our branches where CA Inter coaching is there. If you want exclusive batch, then it is also available in Guntur. So receiving huge applause for 46th edition of Masterminds material. What is so special about them? First of all, let us see the common points that are applicable to problematic and theory subjects. We have reduced unnecessary junk to the extent of 30 to 40%. That means all the topics related to IPCC we have eliminated because they are no more relevant. 100% coverage of all ICA sources. You need not refer study material, RTPs, MTPs, past exam question papers after reading our 46th edition of materials. 100% prepared with exam orientation. You can comfortably attempt 90 to 100 marks in the public exam if you prepare these materials. Specific points applicable to the materials of problematic subjects. One assignment problem will be given corresponding to every classroom problem. That assignment problem will be twisted when compared to classroom problem. So when we teach one problem, you are supposed to solve one problem on your own because it's CA Inter level. Even if you solve 1000 problems, you are going to get a new problem in the public exam. For every classroom and assignment problem, we have given 2 concept questions. So that means what will be the impact on the answer if there is any change in the question? So that will be taught in the classroom itself. That means one problem in our material is almost equal to 2 problems in the materials of other institutions. Large number of problems, including comprehensive problems, are included in case of income tax and GST because one of the recent trends is they're asking few problems which requires the knowledge of multiple chapters. We have identified the need and included such kind of problems also, such kind of chapter also in our material. For in-depth information on highlights of our problematic subjects material, there is an exclusive video. Look at the top right corner of this video or even the description of this video. You will find the link of that video. So specific points applicable to the materials of theory subjects. Large number of concept questions because you know pretty well how questions being posed in the public examinations with respect to theory subjects. We want every student to get habituated for the same in our material itself. So sometimes the question and answer will be half page and the concept questions will take more than 1 page of space. So in what way that question can be twisted in the public exam? We are trying to give in the material itself and we are providing answer there itself. So scenario based questions, that's what the trend in the public exam. Test your knowledge questions. All these types of questions are included in the Masterminds material. So these things will help you to handle the public exam still better. Large number of practical questions are included in the subject of law. We have almost doubled the number of practical questions in our latest edition. So MCQ question banks with large number of questions for all theory subjects will be provided to you. For in-depth information on highlights of our theory subject material, there is an exclusive video. I'm leaving the link of that video in the card section and also look at the link of the video in the description of this video. So what is the proof of our invincible leadership at CA, CMA Inter level? Here are the evidences. secured 93 All India ranks at IPCC or CA inter level in the last 8 years. That is 16 attempts. That means on an average 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. You can cross check. No other institution in South India is even nearer to these results. 98 All India ranks in March 2021 results of CMA inter and final, and 5 All India ranks in 2021 results, and our single digit ranks in IPCC or CA inter level exams, and achieved All India first rank in IPCC, All India first and second ranks in CMA inter results of February 2020 and March 2021. The first rank in CMA inter results of August 2017, Feb 2018 and August 2019. So please don't forget that every student will not be allotted rank just like in MSET. Only top 50 ranks will be given. That's why we have not claimed any rank which is beyond 50. For in-depth information on our achievements at CA inter at CMA inter level, watch an exclusive video. I'm leaving the link of that video in the card section and also the description of this video. Sir, is there any hostel facility? Yes, available in some selective branches. Sir, what about Corona? Don't worry at all. So get yourself vaccinated and join for physical batch. I think by this time you might be understood what is the basic difference between online and physical. So the level of attention, the level of preparation that you can have at physical are no way comparable with online. So we will follow all COVID norms, including social distancing in our campuses. Sir, I'm confident of qualifying both the groups. Shall I sit idle? For God's sake, please don't do that. Even if you are confident of qualifying both the groups, please join for study hours and revision exams batches in both the groups. Let us assume you are able to qualify one group in the public exams. No problems, you are already started preparation for the both groups. Now we will stop preparing for one group and you will continue preparation for the another group. Let us assume you got failed in both the groups. No problem, you already started preparation for the both groups. So that's why, my dear students, it's always better to join for study hours and revision exams for both the groups, even though you are confident of qualifying in the exams. Alternatively, you sit at home and start preparing for your next attempt, assuming that you may fail. Sir, I have idle time till results are announced. What shall I do? Start preparing for CA inter, assuming to get a negative result. If you are poor at English, focus on improvement of communication skills. If your handwriting is poor, then focus on improving the same, because that definitely plays a very important role to score wonderful marks. Sir, I have written group 2 exams of CA IPCC. Definitely miserable. I have seen some of the students of CA IPCC. After qualifying one group, they go and join for articles and they will never be able to qualify group 2. My dear students, so this is an important advice for you. You immediately join for group 2 regular batch of CA inter. Why regular batch? You are taking coaching for the first time. Yes, we have regular batch for group 2 alone. You need not take admission for both the groups. After results, if you fail in group 2 of IPCC, then you can join in study hours and revision exams batch for group 2 of CA inter. With this, even if you don't qualify in IPCC, no problem. You already started your preparation for CA inter of group 2. And after results, you will simply join in study hours and revision exams batches. Sir, what sort of services will be available after announcement of results? There is an exclusive video for the same. Please look at the top right corner of this video in the card section and also the description of this video. So never pursue CA course alone, my dear students. For God's sake, don't do that. It's always better to pursue CMA and BCom also along with CA. Sir, we have separate Telegram channels for each stage of CA and CMA course for doubts clarification. So look at the description of this video. You will find the links for all the Telegram channels. And here are the details of our physical presence, including the contact numbers. Here are the details of our online presence. So please do install our app. If you belong to Android, then install an app called Masterminds Online Classes app from Google Play Store. If you belong to iOS platform, then you need to install an app called Class Plus and enter the organization code as MZGUN. Then you will be able to access all the services of Masterminds app. So students can install our app and start happy learning by purchasing any of the following services. That means all the below stated services are available. So once you install the app, here you can see store. Once you click that store, you will be able to see all the videos available for all the courses. So in our app, you can find regular batch videos of all the stages of CA/CMA course, crash batch videos of all the stages of CA/CMA course, rapid revision batch videos of all the subjects of all the stages of CA/CMA course. That means in just a matter of 20 to 25 hours, you can revise the entire subject. When it comes to CA final, you will be able to revise entire subject in just a matter of 30 to 40 hours. So guidance classes, motivational videos, amendments videos for all the subjects of all stages of CA/CMA course are also available in the app. Masterminds test series services can also be purchased directly from the app. In all the above cases, you can buy selective groups or subjects or some important chapters also. So I still remember, even for just a matter of 100 rupees, you can purchase a small course. So you can enjoy some free services under the section study material. That means install the app and open the study material, and there you can find some free resources also. So happy to share that we are heading towards 25,000 downloads in Google Play Store with Oliver. Great support. Sir, is it possible to interact with any of the directors directly? Yes, you can. So here is the mail ID of me, that's mssprakash2012@gmail.com, and here is the mail ID of Mohan sir, msnmohan2013@gmail.com. For academic issues, you need to contact me. For admin issues, you need to contact Mohan sir. So let me thank my team members, Mr. Purnachandra Rao sir, who is a faculty for accounts, Mr. Chandu sir, who is a faculty for EIS and SM, and also JB Ullah, who is my friend, and all of them have helped me a lot in bringing this video into reality. For latest updates and notifications, please do subscribe this channel and press bell icon. All the best, my dear students.